5 Most Favorite Foods of Keto Diet. 1. Coffee and tea without sugar. Coffee and tea are incredibly healthy, carb-free drinks. They contain caffeine, which increases your metabolism and may improve your physical performance, alertness and mood. 2. Berries. Most fruits are too high in carbs to include on a ketogenic diet, but berries are an exception. Berries are low in carbs and high in fiber. 3. Nuts. Nuts and seeds can definitely be part of a well-balanced, keto or low-carb diet. 4. Eggs. Eggs are one of the healthiest and most versatile foods on the planet. One large egg contains less than 1 gram of carbs and fewer than 6 grams of protein, making eggs an ideal food for a ketogenic lifestyle. 5. Cheese. Cheese is both nutritious and delicious. There are hundreds of types of cheese. Fortunately, all of them are very low in carbs and high in fat, which makes them a great fit for a ketogenic diet.